Hi guys, today I'm going to be replacing the front right engine mount on the 2002 to 2008 Toyota Corolla or Corolla Matrix or the Pontiac Vibe. This procedure will be similar for cars with the 1ZZ FE engine. A broken or worn mount is a frequent source of noise when going in and out of gear. You're going to basically have clunks, and it's absolutely essential to replace broken mounts or worn mounts so that it doesn't transfer stress to other engine components. Now let's get this. As a rule of thumb, when you have a broken mount on any part of your engine, you should go ahead to inspect the other mounts on the car. Tools you're going to need: 14mm deep socket, a drive wrench, an extension, ordinary 14 socket, as well as a block of wood. So first thing, I'm going to go ahead to place the block of wood under the oil pan. So you want to raise this to take the weight of the vehicle. Just when it starts to rise, just like that, that's enough, and we're basically done from under the vehicle. First thing, you slide out this power steering reservoir and push that aside. That's just to give you a bit of space or more room to work. So on the subframe, or to the subframe, it's held by 3 bolts. That's 1 down there, 2 here, and then 3 here. And then towards the front, where you have this other bracket that is extending from the mount to couple with the engine, you have 3 bolts as well, so in total 6. So that's 1 here. Then there's this one which you can just about see. It's a stud that extends from this top part to meet with this lower one, and it's held at the end by a knot. So there's one like this in the front, which is just what you're seeing here, and then there's one identical at the back as well. So we'll start with those. So I go in with my socket and it fits. That's quite easy. So I get the second one, which is behind it. Some people have also approached this from the bottom, but I like to take it from the top. And that's loose. And then lastly, this top one comes out. That's stud. And the second nut is out. Turning to the other side of the mount. And don't forget the last one from the left. And with that, the mount is good to come out. So simply just lift, go around. So what I thought was the problem with this mount is not actually the problem. What you see here is a surface crack, right? I've examined it close up. It doesn't really go deep. It's a surface crack, and yeah, that's still good. The actual problem with this mount is that, so if you look, that is loose and there's movement within that place. So the problem actually is that this bolt that is here has come loose. So I'll just tighten it and fit it back into the car. So that's now stable. I'll still get some miles out of this before I replace. It's not leaking or anything. This part that contains oil. So I'll just fit this back. Turns out that I'll need to slacken this bolt again for flexibility during fitment. I'll retighten it in the end. An important tip is to guide in all the bolts before you start tightening any one of them. Fit the knot for the studs. Torque on all bolts 52 Newton meters. And you're done. Just in case you're looking for the video on how to replace the front mount, I'll have it linked up here, as well as the rear mount, which is the most challenging mount to replace on this car. That's it guys, hope this was helpful. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.